There's Aaron's favorite ride, the kangaroos.
That way because it's not till 11. You realize that, right?
Yeah, we can go this one.
No, see? 11. It's not 11 yet.
Right, you walk down through here.
Yeah, but it's not 11. Sorry.
So what?
Look at that building, Dad. It got destroyed in the storm.
Kids Nippy is a children's area at World of Fun. It features all kinds of things that kids do, including Peter's Playhouse and interactive football factory. Don't forget to meet Charlie Brown and Peter King, Peter's Show and Campground Theater.
Sorry folks, Prowler's not operating today. That hasn't even opened yet.
Got some wild turns.
Yeah, and some nice drops too.
We will soon be entering the action section of the park. Minus the elephant as they protest.
There's the old Timberwolf photo thing with Prowler.
Okay, I don't care who you are, that was funny right there. Off to your left is the new King of the Jungle, Prowler. This beast of a coaster tangles in the park's natural course and terrain, featuring a smiling 85-foot drop, high speed, and ground-hugging curves. Are you willing to become prey of the beast?
Doesn't look very long.
That's because it isn't, Dad. It's a short post.
It's fun though.
No, there's a smiling drop.
Don't forget to cool off and watch the show the Disney musical. Show on stage uses music, but you won't see me there because I can't dance. Check for show times in your park map.
There's the queue for Prowler, see?
What?
The queue.
Yeah.
Shade area with the light. There's Prowler Plaza. I'm gonna take some videos. That's the view of the early morning. Yeah. Hard hat area.
To your right is the village.
And as you can see, there's two bridges. One right there, one right there.
Only
See?
using typical force to keep you on your feet.
There's Prowler Plaza.
To the trees to your right, you will see boomerangs taking riders by surprise and the lead station backwards, climbing 125 feet inside of the releasing entrance through station vertical with 60 miles per hour. We'll know your name like a
I'll be
boomerang
taking
back from
boomerang
Mars.
right now. Dad, listen.
To your left is Fear in an island monsoon. To your right, the world to find your shirt and so gone. Just past the monsoon is ocean fun. To your right, sightseeing and experience both parts the same day. To your far left, you can't miss the Buckaroo Snake in Africa. At a towering 205 feet, it's the tallest attraction of world
He's
fun.
gonna get you.
Do you think you can tame this snake before you
With
scream with your life?
challenges.
The western coils at 75 miles per hour. Are you brave enough to charm the love of?
It's last year's birthday, girl.
Now to your right is your own land. This section of the park we don't travel through. However, it's full of exciting attractions such as the taxi tour. Take a break and travel the city. You don't need taxi time. Prepare yourself on
Yeah, I like to
all
call
the
it Europa. I
all
like to call it the
Don't forget to
family
grab
section of the park.
pizza for many sea brothers.